Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tushar Goyal, and in this tutorial we will continue with our topic, that is operator. So until this we learn 6 types of operator, and in this tutorial we will learn 7th type of operator, that is scope operator. Scope operator is denoted by double colon, and it is basically used to differentiate between global and local variables when both variables have same name. Basically, scope operator is used to access the value of a global variable. Or now, what is a local variable and a global variable? Basically, a local variable is a variable whose scope is limited, or we can say it within a particular brace. Here example is that int x is equal to 10. Now int x is equal to 10 is a local variable because its scope is limited throughout this void main function. We can't use outside the void main function. But a global variable is a variable whose scope is throughout the program. Here int x equal to 10, x equal to 20 is a global variable because its scope is throughout the program. If we use if if I declare multiple functions in this program, then I can use x equal to 20 in every function, but we can't use x equal to 10 in on those functions because its scope is limited between this brace to this brace. So we can say that the variables which are declared before the void main are act as a global variable. The variables which are declared inside the main function are set as local variable. So here I write local variable and print x. Now x will return its local value, that is 10, but when we print with by using scope operator, it will return its global value, that is 20. So let's run this program. Now here we can see that local variable is get value of 10 and global variable get value of 20 because I use scope operator while printing the second time, printing the global variable x. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this video. Please share it, like it, and subscribe it. Thank you so